moves and you see that intraday moves 5, 6, 7 points, plenty of profits to be found in the charts here. So pay close attention to the macro and micro indicators here. And more importantly, don't forget every single day we're just checking in, making sure we identify all the algorithms. These are very important. And so you can learn to find profits in the charts while still also looking out for the macro structure. If you're, well, obviously performing some larger plays, whether it's swing trading or for me writing options, just writing credit spreads, or just selling puts and calls, writing puts and calls, just to bolster my portfolio. So you see, you can also use the indicators here, and I'll teach you this in due time, right? Whether with the 5-day, 20-day, or even with the liquidity wedges, how can you be playing with the ranges, writing options to sell to the gamblers of the world, and just taking their money every single day. Now, you are running the casino, can you tell that? But first you need to master, well, in a way, learn the techniques of day trading, know how day trading works before you start moving into larger ranges. Now, if you cannot even manage your risks in a 1-point range, how do you think you can manage your risks in a 20-point range? So this is the basis of why you need to learn day trading, even though you don't have time or you're not interested in gambling, which is exactly the point. If you're not interested in gambling, the more you need to learn how to be managing your risks. Yeah, so Discord members will see you. I'm here every day anyway, even if I'm not uploading. But I'm trying my best to upload every day now. So thank you for your patience. Truly, I'm very appreciative that you're here just watching this. I will do more. Thank you for truly your patience during this time, trying to get as much rest as I can. But I'm fine. I'm not dying. Well, technically, I'm dying every day just like you, but I'll be fine. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you closer to opening bell.